India is no longer simply catching up with the global airgun industry. In 2026, it is producing PCP rifles that combine serious accuracy, efficient air systems, modern ergonomics, and prices that challenge imported alternatives. But the biggest number on a specification sheet does not always identify the best rifle. High velocity can damage accuracy. A lightweight design can become difficult to steady, and a low purchase price can lose its appeal when parts and technical support are hard to find. That is why we rank these 5 Indian-made PCP rifles by real-world value. We considered consistency, build quality, handling, shot count, service support, and the compromises manufacturers rarely advertise. One rifle delivers outstanding value straight from the box. Another is engineered specifically for 10-meter match precision. But the model at number 1 earned its position through something even more important than raw performance. Number 5 is the AirgunIndia Aarya Mark III. This rifle earns its place by offering serious PCP performance without immediately pushing the buyer into the premium price bracket. At the time of this review, the Aarya Mark III costs approximately $305. That price provides a modular platform with an adjustable power system and a large 490 cubic centimeter aluminum air cylinder. The manufacturer rates the rifle for 20 joules in .177 caliber. Advertised velocity reaches 295 meters per second, or about 975 feet per second. Those numbers look aggressive on paper. More importantly, the power adjuster gives the shooter some control over how the rifle behaves with different target ammunition. The 19-inch barrel has a diameter of 15 millimeters. Working pressure is rated at 200 bar. The complete rifle weighs approximately 3.1 kilograms. Total length is only 35 inches. The Aarya Mark III also includes an adjustable 2-stage trigger. An 11mm dovetail rail provides space for an optic. The adjustable butt pad and ambidextrous pistol grip help the rifle accommodate different body types. Its compact dimensions are especially impressive when you consider the unusually large air cylinder. But there is a clear deal breaker. This is a single-shot bolt-action rifle. Every follow-up shot requires the shooter to load another pellet and operate the bolt manually. That slower rhythm may be acceptable for deliberate target work. It becomes frustrating for anyone expecting the fast 10-shot magazine system found on several rifles higher in this ranking. A regulated Aarya STX is listed at approximately $389. Buyers who care more about controlled air delivery may find that upgrade appealing. However, it also reduces the price advantage that makes the standard Mark III interesting in the first place. AirgunIndia backs the rifle with a 1-year carry and warranty against manufacturing defects. Accessories shown in promotional images are optional. Buyers should therefore include the cost of an optic and suitable filling equipment in their real budget. The Aarya Mark III is powerful, compact, and highly customizable. It deserves number 5 because it delivers a strong mechanical foundation for the money. Coming up at number 4, raw velocity takes a back seat to dedicated 10-meter match precision. Number 4 is the Precihole PX100 Match Pro. This rifle does not chase maximum velocity. It does not try to become a lightweight plinker or a long-range powerhouse. The Match Pro was created for disciplined 10-meter target shooting. Every major feature is focused on repeatability and precise control. The .177 caliber system is limited to 7.5 joules. Maximum velocity is approximately 175 meters per second, or 575 feet per second. That may sound modest beside the Aarya Mark III, but in formal 10-meter competition, predictable pellet behavior matters far more than raw speed. Its steel barrel measures 580 millimeters. The bore uses 12 grooves, with a right-hand twist rate of 1 turn, in 450 millimeters. A side lever operates the action, while the self-regulating PCP system delivers up to 150 consistent shots per fill. That is enough capacity for extended training sessions without constantly interrupting the shooter to refill the rifle. The sighting system reveals its true purpose. A replaceable front aperture works with a 20-click rear aperture sight. The rear assembly includes an anti-glare tube and a 15mm riser block. There is no conventional scope setup. Instead, the shooter looks through a clean, circular sight picture that makes every small movement of the rifle visible. The multi-adjustable match-grade trigger provides another major advantage. Combined with the adjustable competition structure, it allows the shooter to refine the physical relationship between the hand, shoulder, eye, and trigger blade. At approximately 4 kilograms, the rifle also has enough mass to remain settled during a carefully controlled standing shot. Now for the deal breaker. The PX100 Match Pro is a precision instrument with a very narrow mission. Its low power, considerable weight, aperture sights, and specialized ergonomics make little sense for casual plinking or general outdoor use. A buyer looking for one rifle that can perform several jobs may feel restricted by its competition-focused design. The current asking price is approximately $478. A protective hard case is included. That price is attractive compared with many imported match rifles. However, it is still a substantial investment for a platform designed mainly around 10-meter paper targets. Before we move forward, tell us this. Would you choose a dedicated competition rifle like the Match Pro, or spend the same money on a more versatile PCP platform? Third place turns away from the quiet discipline of the 10-meter range. It brings a heavier tactical chassis, a large air cylinder, and one of the most aggressive velocity claims in this ranking. Number 3 is the AGI Terminator. If the Match Pro behaves like a disciplined competition rifle, the Terminator takes the opposite approach. It uses a tactical metal chassis, a large air cylinder, and a compact multi-shot layout designed for shooters who prefer a heavier and more adjustable platform. The Terminator is available in standard and regulated configurations. Both use a side lever action and fire .177 caliber ammunition. AirgunIndia advertises a maximum velocity of 297 meters per second, or approximately 975 feet per second. Maximum output remains under 20 joules. That velocity figure should be treated as a maximum factory claim rather than a promise for every projectile. Real performance will change with ammunition weight, power settings, and atmospheric conditions. The important advantage of the regulated version is consistency. Its regulator controls the pressure delivered from the main cylinder to the firing system. This can reduce the velocity changes that normally appear as reservoir pressure falls. Air capacity is another major strength. The cylinder holds 250 cubic centimeters. The standard version operates at a working pressure of 200 bar. The regulated model increases that figure to 300 bar. Its barrel measures 495 millimeters, while total length remains a compact 930 millimeters. At 3.17 kilograms, the Terminator is heavier than many sporter-style PCP rifles, but that weight can become useful from a supported position. The metal and rubber stock includes an adjustable cheek plate. A 2-stage adjustable trigger and multi-shot action complete a package built for deliberate bench work and repeatable follow-up shots. Now for the drawback. The regulated model requires a 300 bar fill. That pressure can turn air supply into the most expensive part of ownership. Many basic hand pumps become exhausting near the upper end of their range. A suitable compressor or carbon fiber cylinder adds considerably to the real cost. The scope, bipod, and other pictured accessories are also sold separately. The standard Terminator comes in at approximately $452. The regulated version costs about $504. That difference of roughly $53 is reasonable for shooters who value more controlled air delivery. However, the complete setup becomes much more expensive once filling equipment and optics are included. The AGI Terminator takes number 3 because it combines a large reservoir, tactical adjustability, and regulated performance in a platform manufactured in India. Second place changes the value equation by bundling the rifle with the essential equipment a new PCP owner would normally have to purchase separately. Number 2 is the Camstar Star PXI. This rifle reaches the second position because Camstar does more than sell the PCP platform. The company packages the supporting equipment that normally turns an affordable rifle into a much more expensive purchase. The Star PXI Complete Combo is listed at around $315. Promotional offers can sometimes bring the price closer to $300. The package includes the Star PXI rifle, a telescopic scope, a high-pressure hand pump, and a padded carrying bag. For a first-time PCP buyer, that bundle removes the confusion of finding compatible filling equipment and an appropriate optic after purchasing the rifle. The Star PXI uses .177 caliber ammunition and a side lever action. Its 10-round rotary magazine gives it a major speed advantage over the single-shot Aarya Mark III. Camstar advertises a maximum velocity of 265 meters per second, or 870 feet per second. Output reaches up to 20 joules. The rifle operates with a 200-bar air system. Camstar estimates approximately 90 shots from a full charge. That combination provides enough capacity for a long target session, while keeping the required pressure within the practical range of the included hand pump. A 2-stage trigger and manual hammer locking safety complete the basic control system. The real advantage is convenience. A new owner can receive one package with the essential equipment required for normal target use. Free delivery across India and a 12-month manufacturer warranty make the offer even more difficult to ignore. Camstar also lists replacement magazines and operating components through its own store, but the warranty contains an important limitation. Camstar states that complaints and warranty claims are accepted only for products ordered through its official website with a valid website order identification number. Buyers purchasing from an independent dealer should not automatically assume that they will receive the same direct manufacturer coverage. They need to confirm exactly who will handle repairs before completing the purchase. The included scope and pump prioritize immediate usability. More demanding shooters may still replace them later as their expectations increase. The package therefore saves money at the beginning, without eliminating every future upgrade. The Camstar Star PXA takes number 2 because it offers the strongest ready-to-use value in this ranking. It combines a repeating side lever action, about 90 shots per fill, a complete accessory package, and 1 year of direct support at a highly competitive price. But value alone does not win the top position. Number 1 belongs to a rifle with balanced performance, established documentation, and a design that has become an important reference point for Indian-made PCP sporters. Number 1 is the Precihole PX100 Achilles X3. The Achilles does not win this ranking by producing the highest velocity, the largest air capacity, or the longest warranty. It wins because it combines the features most general target shooters actually need, while leaving fewer serious weaknesses than the other rifles on this list. This .177 caliber PCP platform produces up to 20 joules. Precihole advertises a maximum velocity of 262 meters per second, or approximately 860 feet per second. That places the Achilles below the extreme velocity claims of the Aarya and Terminator, but it still provides strong performance for recreational target shooting, while remaining within its intended power category. A 500mm rifled steel barrel forms the mechanical center of the rifle. The X3 also includes a Depinger and an integrated suppressor. Together, these components address 2 different sources of unwanted noise. The Depinger reduces metallic resonance from the air cylinder, while the suppressor manages the discharge at the muzzle. The side lever action operates the MZ-10 rotary magazine. This compact auto-indexing magazine provides 10 shots before reloading. The rifle delivers approximately 80 shots from a full charge. It also includes a 2-stage trigger, manual hammer blocking safety, and an 11mm dovetail rail for mounting an optic. Handling is another reason for its number 1 position. The polymer version weighs approximately 2.65 kilograms. Overall length is 1,080 millimeters. That creates a rifle light enough to carry comfortably, but substantial enough to feel like a conventional sporter. Buyers who prefer a more traditional appearance can select wood or camouflage stock finishes. The Achilles also benefits from Precihole sports, supporting the platform beyond the original sale. The manufacturer maintains an owner manual for the rifle, documentation for the MZ-10 magazine, and a published spare parts list for the PX100 Achilles Classic. That support matters because every PCP system will eventually need seals, magazines, or professional service. There is still a compromise. The X3 has no front or rear sight. It is designed around an optic. Buyers using Picatinny rings will need compatible 11mm mounts or an adapter. The integrated suppressor and optic-focused configuration make the X3 less flexible for shooters who prefer traditional iron sights. Other Achilles variants offer different sight arrangements. Warranty coverage is also limited to 6 months. Transportation for warranty service is paid by the customer. Unauthorized disassembly or modification can void that coverage. The black Achilles Classic X3 sells for approximately $341. Wood and camouflage versions cost about $354. The Camstar Star PXI remains the stronger complete package for a first-time buyer, but the Precihole PX100 Achilles X3 offers the better long-term platform. Its balanced velocity, 10-shot side lever system, manageable weight, integrated sound control, and established technical support make it the most complete Indian-made PCP sporter in this ranking. That is why the Achilles X3 earns number 1. These 5 rifles show how far India's PCP industry has developed. The Aarya Mark III offers a customizable entry point. The PX100 Match Pro serves dedicated 10-meter competitors. The AGI Terminator brings tactical adjustability and regulated air delivery. The Camstar Star PXE provides the strongest complete package for a new owner. And the Precihole Achilles X3 wins through balance, usability, and long-term technical support. But the right choice still depends on your shooting discipline, access to filling equipment, and service options in your area. Prices and product configurations can change. Dollar values in this video are approximate conversions based on the exchange rate available when this script was prepared. Always confirm the current specification, warranty terms, and local regulations before purchasing. Now tell us which Indian-made PCP rifle you would choose, and which model deserves a place in the next ranking. If this comparison helped you see beyond the marketing numbers, subscribe for more fact-checked airgun rankings and real-world technical analysis. Keep your air tanks full. I will see you downrange.